Okay, we have some made in New York City factory footage. Take it away, Adafruit Factory. City factory footage segment without either a photo or video of what's going on. This is across the street. There's still lots of cranes. Yeah.
Action's happening, a lot of earth moving.
Yeah, you can see that they've gotten through another building. So yeah, Disney's building across the street from us. So this is a time lapse of this that we shoot out the window from the pick-and-place machines every week.